Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn about some essential Git and GitHub commands that every developer will know and should know. If you have ever wanted to upload your project or willing to change any things in the project or collaborate with others, this video will be very useful for you. So let's get started. First of all, open a terminal with your project that you want to upload. Then, first of all, you should have a Git installed in your system. To check whether the Git is present in your system, you have to give the command that is git version. As I have a Git installed in my system, so I'll get the version of Git that is 2.45.2. Or if you do not have the Git installed in your system, you can go to Google Chrome and install it Git with your name and the email. This will help you to help Git to identify who had made the changes and all. Now to configure with the Git, you have to give the command that is gin. Sorry, yes, and the email. Now to start using the Git, we have to navigate to our project folder using the terminal, and then we have to run the command that is git init. So here initialized empty Git repository will be created in your project folder. Then if you are making any of the changes or adding some new files, we can track them using the command that is git status. So as I have these many files in my folder, so I will get those files over visible over here. Then to add all these files into your repository that you have created, write the command that is git add. Now to commit any changes, we have to commit the changes. So we have to write the command that is git commit yum and any message. I will give the message as initial. Yes. Then to push your local project to the GitHub, first we have to go to the GitHub and we have to create a new repository. So I'll go to my GitHub account and I will create one new repository over here. Give the repository name. I will give it as puzzle1 and then I'll create the repository. After creating the repository, we have to copy this URL and copy this URL. Then go to the terminal and enter the command that is git remote at origin and the link that you had copied. Now to push your overall file into the repository, we have to write a command git push u origin and the branch name that is master. As what is your branch name, you can give it like that. So all the files which are there that will be pushed in your, you can refresh the repository GitHub and you can see all the files will be pushed in your repository. Yes. So all the files which were present in the folder that will be pushed in the repository which I had created. If you want to clone a project from the GitHub, we have to write a command that is git clone and the URL that you had copied that time. So This will clone all the files that you have uploaded in your GitHub account in the repository. To update your local code with the latest changes, that is any changes that you will be doing, that to update that you can that is it will show you already up to date, that is you have already updated the files. Next, to fetch the changes that in your repository, you have to write the command get fetch. Now if you want to create a new branch, then you have to write the command, that is get branch, and any branch name that you want to give. I will give it as main. Now to switch to that branch, if you want to switch to that branch, you have to write a name, that is get checkout, and the branch name that you are given. I have given it as main. Yes. It will switch to the branch main. Branches are super helpful for managing your projects and collaborating with the others. Whoever want to do any changes your. Yes. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to more coding tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy coding. If you are making any change next, to configure a game, you should